Hi there, David here from PrintReach. I'm the product manager for Midnight, and I wanted to share with you some of the highlights from our 6.7 release. I just wanted to remind everybody that if you ever wanted to see the release notes in your Midnight application, there is a link for that in the header. You can see here the 6.7 release notes, and that opens up release notes, and it has a history all the way back to 6.2. So if you ever wanted to look up what was going on in Midnight, this is a great place to do it. So the first item I wanted to show you guys was the grouping and splitting of tasks in the dynamic job board. So in the DJB, under our group tab, you can now click into there and you can actually decide to group services together to run as a single service. So if we grouped those services together, hit save, this would actually now create a brand new group for us that encapsulated those three groups. And then if I wanted to go back into that group, I could then decide that, you know what, these two services need to go into their own new group and define that from here. So it's a great new feature to the DJB, and hopefully it's something you can get some use out of. The next item I wanted to share was the addition of the scheduling tab into the orders module. You'll notice that in your order, you'll now see that there is a scheduling tab, and in that scheduling tab, there's a button to launch the DJB job dialog. So now you can access all the services that are needing to be scheduled right inside the order, schedule them from here, update statuses, update schedules. You can do that all right from the order screen now. Another addition I wanted to highlight was the addition of some new settings for the timeline view in the DJB. So if you were in your global settings under DJB, at the bottom here, we now have the ability to enable or disable the scheduled time change warning. And we also have the ability to define what the start time is for your day on the timeline view. The next item I wanted to highlight for you today is the addition of our job cost import screen. So if you went into quick links under the job cost module, you'll see job cost import. And what this actually allows you to do is grab a spreadsheet of all your job cost data if you were collecting it outside of Midnight's shop floor data collection, and enter that into that spreadsheet and then upload it directly into Midnight so you can use it as job costing data against your current jobs. The next item I wanted to highlight was the upgrade of our reporting engine from the Flash-based report editor to a new enhanced HTML5 report editor. So if you go into any report in Midnight now and click on Edit Report, you are going to see that editor no longer asks you and warns you about Flash, and it's going to be a new and enhanced layout that's going to make editing and creating reports easier and faster. All right, guys, and the last and final thing I wanted to highlight on this release was to highlight our new REST API. So if you went to api.vsmidnight.com and clicked on the API link in the header, you'll see an ever-growing list of RESTful API methods that we're adding to Midnight on a daily basis, and a lot of cool functionality, a lot of resources here, so absolutely check it out if you're a current API customer or if you're interested in utilizing our REST API. Well, thanks everybody for checking out the latest additions to Midnight in its 6.7 release. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, support@printreach.com, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your day.